Throughout history, the Almighty has appeared unto a very few. Moses, Abraham, Joan of Arc, Bruce. Next summer, he will choose a new prophet to bring his message to the world. But God only knows why he chose Evan.
Let it out, son. It's the beginning of wisdom.
Who are you?
I'm God.
Yeah.
And I want you, Evan Baxter, to build an ark.
Building an ark is really not part of my plans here.
No! Big one!
I need to make a good impression at work. Gentlemen, good to see you.
Evan, you look like a bum in a suit.
Oh.
Are you starting a Bee Gees tribute band?
Ah, you gotta go shave. I can't shave. Whenever I shave, the beard grows right back in. Oh, that's what happens when you shave. But then you shave again.
Don't worry, help is on the way. And if anybody asks, tell them flood's coming.
You want to build a boat?
It might be something fun for the family. Go! Oh! Go sailing on the lake? I don't know. Be great in case it floods or something.
Evan Almighty.